is. Going down. Basement level. Okay, there we go. I forgot to close the door. Here we go. Basement level. Quick cab view. Rossland Garden Plaza. Filmed on my brand new iPhone 15 Plus. Up to 2. Door close button. Door close button works. I like that. Going down. Do one more round trip. Capacity 12 persons, 907 kilograms. Pretty fast for its application. See the door track. Otis. Early series 1, back up to 2. Back to basement again, and afterwards up to 1. Listen to the motor. Quick stopping. You know what, just go back down to 1, because so that stuff you got. Errands we gotta do, that's alright. When it's stopped now, it's just like a little, just stop really fast. Watch it go. Door should close any moment. And that's it.